Welcome listeners to this tale of love. Cut yourself from the world. Sit back, close your eye, and relax. Once upon a time, there was a secluded island where all the feelings lived. Happiness, sadness, knowledge, anger, trust, and all the other feelings, including love. One day, it was announced to the feelings that the island was going to sink. So they all had to vacate the island as soon as possible or die. All the feelings and company quickly began to prepare their boats to leave as soon as possible. Love was the only one who decided to stay and hold out until the last possible moment. When the island had almost sunk, and Love wanted to leave, it found itself without a boat. Someone else must have taken it. Love, worried, decided to ask for help. Richness was passing by in its most beautiful boat, and Love asked, "Richness, can you take me with you?" Richness answered, "No, I can't. There is a lot of gold and silver in my boat, and sadly there is no place here for you." Next, Love saw Vanity, who was also passing by in a beautiful vessel. "Vanity, please help me," pleaded Love. "I can't help you, Love. You are all wet and would damage my boat if I take you in." Vanity answered. Sadness was close by, and Love asked for help once again. "Sadness, let me go with you." Sadness unwillingly responded, "Oh, Love, I am so sad that I prefer to go alone." Happiness passed by Love too, but she was so happy and cheerful that she did not even hear anything when Love called her. Love was in disbelief. It was doomed to go down with the island. But then suddenly there was an elderly voice. "Come, Love, I will take you." When they arrived at dry land, the elder went on her own way. Love, now blessed and overjoyed, forgot to ask the elder her name. Realizing how much she owed to the elder, Love asked Wisdom, another elder, "Who was that who stopped to offer me a ride?" "It was Time," answered Wisdom. "Time? But why did Time help me?" asked Love. Wisdom smiled, and with compassion answered, "Because only Time is capable of understanding how valuable love is. We may not understand why things are unfolding the way they are, but we can trust that Time will eventually reveal love to us." Hope you enjoyed this story. Spread love and keep rising.